The title of doctor is not something to shake off. There's approximately 225,000 doctors of physical therapy in the United States, according to the APTA. With that, approximately 50 million people will require physical therapy services next year, with that number only expected to grow. I don't say this to scare you, but to inspire you. We are needed. Pain and movement limitations impact us all. And when someone has had their lifestyle or their freedom or their independence taken from them, they will come to us looking for help. And I ask you to be someone they can confide, and someone that they can believe in, someone that will make them better, both physically and mentally. Physical therapy, along with all other healthcare professions, is a career of service, service to others, service to those who are in time of need, and giving back to those who are less fortunate. It's a special kind of person to put others first, and I commend everyone from the class of 2025 for choosing to be that person.